Hello, everybody, and welcome back to an epic world 365. Counting it down with me, Grandpa Gray. And yes, I'm out here in the water because I had to come and get me some buckets. I got me a bunch of bone meal, and I got some red mushrooms, and I've been collecting more stems. And I don't know if I'm going to get it done this episode or not, but I'm going to try and get that farm, skeleton farm going this episode. And I also need some kelp. So I figured I'd come down here and get some kelp. That should be more than enough. Wait for it to float up. I'm not picking any of it up because my inventory is full. How did I not see that as an issue? Mushrooms. You got way too much, and you didn't clean this out, did you? No. How about we get rid of some tools, some stone tools. You don't need stone tools. We got mushrooms up the wazoo, and I still got some grass in here I forgot all about, but that'll come in handy later. Let's go ahead and pick up the kelp leaves, and then we're going to head over to Emerald Island. I just picked up all the stuff I dropped. Great. Let's head over to Emerald Island. I did do a little bit more with it. But what I want to do mainly is I want to get more blocks because I want there to be a drop in other words, I'm going to build a mushroom here, and that's going to be part of my skelly farm. Okay, so let's see, this is our spot here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove these blocks, put some torches around it, and I know that people put more space above the spawner, but I don't know that I'm going to do that. But I am going to do the bucket thing. Along this wall. This is going to push them into their spot, and yep, and then we're going to dig this out right here. Get some more water from over here. There we go. And then we'll put water there to push that way. And we'll put water over here. I don't know if that's going to work though, is it? Maybe. All right. And we'll say this is the center. All right. Now we've got to figure out exactly what we're doing. But we need to make a chamber going up. In other words, the skeleton should fall into here, be pushed into there, and then shot up right here. We need soul sand. And then this is where we want the, we need the 21 foot, or the 21 block drop. So that's 2, 3, 4, 7. We use dirt for this part, and I'm going to get 21 dirt. Dirt should do the trick. In other words, that way I know for sure that we're raising them up 21 blocks. That's not good. I just added more blocks to my situation. All right, hold on a minute. This is where we want to add the stems. And not sure how many stems. Let's go with 10. Whoops. All right. And hopefully this is the right spot. If I did it right. If not, shoot. Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay, so that was 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, well, that's not going to be very good. In other words, if I only have to bring them up to there to drop them. Way on now. Alright, I've got to go to the nether and get some soul sand because I don't think I have any with me. Need a hopper, and I don't even know if I have enough. Can I make a hopper out of copper? That's the question. Well, I do have some iron in here. Okay. I know I'm mixing this all up, but that's okay. We'll get it sorted back out. I think I might have some stuff at my base. So let's go back to the shop in the Woodland Mansion. And up here we had some nether stuff. Soul sand, soul soil. Okay, I'm going to take one of each because I don't remember what we have to have. And then I'm going to take some sand, a couple of stacks anyway, and let's smelt this up. Get some glass going here because we're going to make this visible. And while that's cooking, I need to make the hopper. That's right. So to make a hopper, we need chests. And to make chests, we need the woods. Wood, I know you're in here. I saw you lurking around. Okay. There we go. I don't think I need to make diamond chests, but I do think I'm going to upgrade these to copper because I've got plenty of copper. So we'll do that first. 2 chests, right? Surrounded by copper. Gives me copper chests. I want 2 of those. And then we want a hopper. I can't remember how to make a hopper, and I don't think I can make it with copper anyway. There we go. Hopper. That'll be for when they fall down. I need some slabs. Can't make copper slabs, huh? Alright, I think I'm going to make my slabs then out of deep slate. All right, how much we got here? 10. Let's go ahead and let that smelt. It probably won't do it while I'm gone, out of the zone, but all right, we'll head back over. All right, and this is the hole that we want. So I'm going to put a slate over that one, and then we're going to come back in here and pick our way through here. Oh, gray. You might need the blocks. Okay. Now, I'm going to break this just to get up, and break this one, and I'm going to start with soul sand. I think that's the way to do it, and then put some kelp on it. You left the kelp. I'm making this a lot more complicated than I think it needs to be. Looking around over here, hopefully. Nope. Nope. There it is. Kelp. And the, ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to use mushroom blocks. And let's make sure we have plenty with us. And come back over here. Don't fall down. Let's use our silk touch. It's going to break if we're not careful here, but all right. Wrong answer, Gray. You need to go up. All right, I'm okay now. I'll figure this out. Okay. So now, use our mushroom blocks to, can we place kelp on this? That's the question. And we can place the kelp. Okay. And then we take the bone meal got too much stuff in my inventory again. All right, now we bone meal this all the way to the top. And then we break it. And it didn't work. I'm in here with you. What? Why am I stuck in here with you? Oh, because I clicked on your bed. Yeah, okay. All right. All right. let's remove that and pop out to the shop and click on our bed. Here we go. All right. Well, time is up. I'll work on that some more. I don't know what I did wrong exactly, but we'll get that organized, and hopefully be able to start getting some skellies, bones from the skellies. That's my plan anyway. Take care. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. I do appreciate it. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you have, thank you. Thank you for all the views, all the comments. Put a like on the video if you would. And if you got any ideas or suggestions or tutorials that I should watch, let me know. And we will see you again next time. Take care.